Hi, you are welcome back to the channel, and today I want us to dive into a very interesting topic, and that is scalping stock options. Right, so I want us to go straight to the point, and we have understood by now that scalping is when you enter into the market and then you want to enter into your trade and then record your profit and exit quickly. Right, so I want us to look at what makes scalping easier. What makes scalping easier? All right, and then I'll go straight to number one, and that is, the leverage that we have in stock options gives us the opportunity to be able to control a large sum of shares using just little capital. Right, and that is what makes stock options very, very exciting. And then let's look at the number two, that because of the fast movement of prices up and down, we are able to record, enter, and exit and record our profit quickly. And then the third one I want us to look at is the fact that with stock options and scalping, if you have a very good strategy, like somebody who you can buy many contracts, you'll be able to record big amount of profit using small capital. So what are the tools that we need to be able to make sure that this strategy works very well for us and then makes it easier for us to scalp stock options? And number one is to find a platform that is very good, like Interactive Brokers. I will recommend my platform, My Brokers. That platform gives you, the option chain where you can look at, and then it makes your orders fast. Once you execute, once you enter into your trade, they execute your orders so fast. So you need a platform, and then it also provides real-time data. You need a platform like this to be able to scalp options very, very easily. And then number two, I think that you need to have level 2 data where you can see the flow of orders of buyers and sellers where they are stuck, and then that will give you, an information as to where you can enter and where you can exit. Right, and then the third thing, or is it the fourth thing, is for you to look at your options Greeks. With scalping, you need delta. You need to have in the money trades, in the money option, where your delta must be around 0.6. All right, where the small changes of prices can easily give you your profit, and then you are done with. Right, so I want us to look at another one too that makes scalping easier, and that is how to use the strategy to trade, and then how you can record your profit easily. Now that has to do with the stock that we are using. What kind of stock do we need to be able to ensure our profits? And we must look at a stock that has high volatility as well as high liquidity. Right, there must be people, large buyers and large sellers of that stock for you to be able to scalp and quickly record your profit. Now, I was stuck into scalping options because I would use, certain time frame, and I'll be there. The stock is not going, the price is not going in my favor, and I'll be stuck until I realize how to switch from my time frame to the 1 minute, to the 5 minute and 15 minutes time frame. Remember, if you are a scalper, you don't want to stay long, and so you cannot be reading chart, a long-term, time frame chart. You have to look at the short time frame. That is a 1 minute chart, 15 minutes, or you are looking at a 5 minute chart. All right, and then I want us to also look at where do you enter for your scalping. We have resistance level, we have support level. So if you are buying calls, you should know where to enter. and you enter at support to buy your calls, and then you enter at resistance level when you want to sell down your puts. And then the most important thing is to put your stop loss. Always remember to put your stop loss so that in case the trade does not go your way, you can easily be stopped out without Wall Street taking all your money away. And then talking about stop loss, then we are looking at risk management also, where you should use amounts that is very small on your capital, where when you even lose that entire amount, it does not affect your capital in any way. All right, use an amount that you can afford to lose when the trade does not go your way. All right. And then I want to end this video by saying that use indicators that give you, an upper hand, something like a VWAP. VWAP, when the stock price moves to the resistance level, it will hit the WAP and then it will come back to support. It will hit the WAP and then it will go back. So you need to be able to use indicators like this. You could even add the RSI, where you can see where a stock is oversold or overbought, and then you can enter and exit your trades profitably. All right, so I will say that read your charts, do your technical analysis very well, do your fundamental analysis very well, and then when it comes to scalping stock options, you really need to concentrate on the lower time frames. That is 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes time frame. Until we meet on the next video, I would ask those who are new to the channel that you should subscribe to the channel, because here we'll be exploring tools, techniques, and ways to identify trades, winning trades that we can always run home with our profit. And for the regular entrepreneurs, I wish you the best. Bye.